Well, I think it's more of an intrinsic thing when we see this white man on black boy crime. It's more of an intrinsic thing. It's a snap decision where they're like, what have I been conditioned to think is a threat? So if I'm watching TV all day, I go back to the media. If I'm watching TV all day and I see rap videos where guys are talking about they carrying guns with them and they're ready to put in work and they're just the worst kind of people, because that's what rap music has made folks think of Black America. But we know that's not true. I mean, we have homes, you know, we have families. We do very familiar things. We're very friendly people.
But kid, most older white men aren't watching rap videos, or
well,
are they?
Well, they are, but that's it's not that they're sitting down watching like Rap City or no, not like that. But if on CNN, there's a reporting of a shooting, but it's a rap concert. You know what I'm saying? Or they say. The advertisement we have on TV, a lot of it is laced with hip hop. So whenever they hear the bad words or they hear the gist of the song that's selling a certain product, they're like, well, that sounds like rap to me. So every rapper must be that way, but they tend to forget the ones who are thinkers, like Common Sense. Like it's a rapper named Common. He was invited to the White House and he to do a poetry thing for Michelle Obama, but Fox News jumped all over him and said, hey, I can't. That he had a song about a cop killer. He had a song about Assata Shakur or whatever, but he was talking about her as a revolutionary, and that was early in his career. So Fox News acted like the Barack Obama administration was hiring a lover of cop killers to do. But
I remember that.
But if they saw his other work, they would see that he's a very prolific, a very, very thought-provoking, a very thoughtful, intellectual brother. And but a lot of times when people have their mind ready to hate you, they have selective hearing. They don't hear about the good you do. They look for the bad. And I think that that's the problem when it comes to people, our perceptions as black men in our community, that people remember the negative. They don't remember what you did positive.